morning, OG. No, it's not. It's 11. So, what's today? 21st. Today is February 21st. Today is my cousin baby shower. Right? Yeah, my cousin baby shower. And I'm about to go get ready and go to her baby shower. But first, I need to make a few stops at a store to pick up some baby stuff. Thank you.
She only brushing her teeth for the video.
No. Okay. Now we're gonna get a T3 and oh fuck. Oh yeah, I'm curling my hair all wrong, but I gotta go. So
time we link up, it's only us that we're thinking, where do we get that? Is it wrong? Is it right? You know that I'm missing you. I be getting mixed signals while you slow down. Don't stop this green light. Now you gotta be special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want to get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over.
we in Diddy's and I need to find something for kids. I need to go over there. Look at oh shit. Look at all the kids stuff, y'all. Hold on. Wait. I like this one. I don't know why. Then I think my curls fell. But it's okay. I like this. This is cute. You got lost? This is cute. Okay. They got some. What? I'm not finna fucking buy your no pillow game. Okay, y'all, what toy y'all think I should get him? I think I need to look at her, hold on. I'm gonna look at her inventory, her registry, and see what else. But I'm gonna get these outfits for sure. These outfits are T-babes. Let me get some little stuff for my little cousin too. My cousin too. I think I'm gonna get her this too. Or should I get her this? Oh my god, this open. I'm gonna get her this. It come with what's Spanish? I need to look this up. Bottles. Okay, so I'm gonna get her that too. I'm debating if I should get her this because I think somebody got her a carrier, but I'm gonna check her registry right now. So hold on, y'all. Y'all, I think I'm gonna. Oh, hold on. There we go. I think I'm gonna get her this a fin. Should I get her a little toilet? But it's coming in two. And then these baby wipes. Okay. Come on, this pot. Huggies, natural care.
She got them with category.
Baby. Oh, this is cute. I'm gonna get her this. This is cute. Hold that. Let me see if somebody got her a walker. He said bullshit. Let me see what people purchased already. Oh, wait,
I'm gonna buy this color. Somebody already got one of these. Alright, cool. These two, somebody
got
probably
her
had
that.
these.
Somebody got her
Too
that.
big for the baby nose anyway.
No, it's not. Here.
This is too big for the baby nose. And then
So somebody already got that. So should I get her this? I think I'm gonna get her this because nobody got her that. So I'm gonna get her that too.
a little comfortable.
So I got like 1, 2, 3 outfits. A pack of whites. What is this? The bottle
You gonna
thingy.
gain some strength from being a mom.
That. I'm dead. Shut up, Kia. Okay, come on. What else you think? Should I get her these? I'm talking about her, him. Cause it ain't for her. Yeah, I can believe my. Or this one. Or this one and put that one back. Or you ain't even put it in here. You put it back for real.
I don't know.
Should I do this one instead?
I was right. Yeah, that's.
This one better? Alright, you can put that one up there then. Okay. Somebody already gave her him some bowls and stuff. So, oh my, look at this. But should I get him a baby blanket? I like this one. This is cute. This is cute. Should I get it?
Oh yeah. I like that.
You don't fucking know. Come on. You just saying agreeing. It wasn't bullshit. But it wasn't. It was cute. They had baby shoes and like socks and stuff, but I don't see it. So. Okay, so. I
She
got
loves it.
that. Okay.
I ain't a fan of the booties though.
And then I got this. Okay, that's blue. Okay, I got her this. A carrier. A white. Some whites. I don't think they got Pampers. And then I got her 3 little baby outfits. I like this one. And then this one.
That one, I like the color. Yeah. I
Okay.
ain't really too sold on it, but the color doing it.
And then this one.
Like this one more than that one for some reason.
It's plain. I like that plain look.
Yeah.
Or should I go pick something else out?
Yeah. And if you can't find none, then keep that.
Alright, come on. Okay. She did say she wanted some of these, but I don't know which one is good for kids, for babies. So I don't want to get nothing that don't be appropriate for babies. So, yeah, no. Y'all, these kind of cute.
I need pure
You need what?
Pure dark.
These tea, y'all. Yes. I don't know what my sad dummy.
Are these real?
Yes. Oh my god, they mirror don't look
Y'all
up.
glasses be better though anyway.
Yeah, I think I'm finna get these. I like these. How these look on me? These are so cute, but they're 6.5. Yeah. Okay, y'all. Let's keep looking. I'm looking at shoes and not looking at the signs that say my size. But let me see. Oh, these are cute. Let me see. Oh, these gonna be big, y'all. Oh, they not. Okay, hold on, cause I might. Oh shit. I might, y'all. I might. Yes, I might get these. But they got these too, y'all. In a 5.5. If they got these in like a 5 or a 4.5 or something, I might get these with my boo. Yeah, so cute. $12. Oh, these are tea, babes. Yes. Hold on, y'all. Y'all know I love me. And these are 5. Hold on. Y'all know I love these. Oh, I like these.
Before you every day. When you call, run it back on me back.
Tish, stand up. Y'all gotta stand up. Y'all gotta stand up.
Okay, ready? Knees, head, shoulder. Shoulder, knees, head. Shoulder, knees, head. Shoulder, knees, toes.
Y'all, this food's kind of good.
I think they.
What? Yeah. I left my thing in the car. Hey y'all, I got my hair done, but I just wanted to show y'all how I make a little salad. Maybe. So you want to cut your little salmon up into some smaller bites. I got my hair done yesterday, by the way. So I just made some salad. I'm finna get it out the refrigerator so y'all, some salmon salad. But I'm finna get it out the refrigerator so I can show y'all. But I just want to show y'all my braids. I'm gonna get into it.
This camera.
I don't like.
Babe, when we first got together, and I was asking Janae about help about like gifts, she told me, Rocky on an iPad. You just fucking met her. Babe,
I'm doing hair.
crazy.
Oh, it's nice. There we go.
There's a mailbox.
Cutesy.
Yeah.
So, you think Sunshine had a boy going down?
Belinda nowhere first.
You feel the real
Can y'all see in it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that camera A1.
Yeah.
How much was that camera?
Oh.
It was a lot.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
never mind. I'm
Yeah.
cheap. I was about to say I need me something when I go to my concert because it's taking up my phone memory.
Why does it do that? Yeah, we at Mimi's, huh? What's up, boy? Yeah.
No, I got it for Christmas, but we just got the sun bar for today. But we didn't know it needed a
Yeah.
sun bar. We didn't know it
Yeah,
needed
that's
a
what I
sun
was
bar.
using my phone. Dang, what the fuck? Why is this so close to my face? What the fuck?
All I know is
Y'all, this is my first time opening using my phone camera, and it, I mean, what's this called?
Girl,
I was gonna say my computer camera, but it's go. Yeah, cookies.
This is the library right here. What a smoke shop is. Smoke shop.
Oh, my foot hurting. Okay, that's what I'm trying to get. Look at it. What was that?
Mimi.
We tried to go to. No, we had a reservation for Mimi's Kitchen, but they talking about an hour to 30 minutes, and we was on time this time. Almost late. We was on time though, and they still told us an hour to 30 minutes. So we just walking,
trying to sell
trying.
and keep people.
Why you gotta why you gotta sell me?
Trying to get y'all off.
But we, what the fuck? Oh shit. Yes, but we just walking trying to see what other restaurants wait these little 30 minutes to an hour. I can't see. I don't want to walk in that picture. No, this is more something like fancy stuff. This is more like something fancy. We don't need all that.
There's only one black person.
Y'all like my camera?
I feel like
Say hey, ho, say hey, ho, say hey. We can walk to Jewtown. Oh, hell no. Y'all ready to turn back on?
oh shit there.
We can, cause there's nothing over here.
Patrick, you know what we got? That motherfucking restaurant we get that pot roast sandwich from.
It ain't open, so. Damn, y'all ain't never took me to get no pot roast sandwich.
I'm not recording with my phone anymore. I'm recording with my DJI. So, super excited for that. I feel weird though.
I be out there. My fucking wake me up to do shit. Like, she'll have to take kids.
High volume, high volume.
Come rewind it. Girl, I get the money where we make you mine.
She said, what's the penthouse?
If you're laughing, you make you mad. Now only you give me make you mine. But I love you 'cause I never make you mine. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my life. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. You think that I love you every day. Time I'm dancing, my money I go pay. For your love I go pay. It ain't making money days. Me do this for you every day. When you call, run it back on replay. For your love I go pay. Make a psycho, make a traffic psycho. Baby, make you sing to the mic. You're my queen, girl, you are that. Looking in your eyes, oh. Show you many things you can utilize, oh. If I say I love you, then I tell you like, oh. Show you everything when I get in eyes, oh. True that make you utilize, oh. Yeah, the one we got, the way go revive, oh. Give you many things, we could they make you dance, oh. Yeah, they make you back up to the stand, the mic. If it's phone ring and he never call you back, you should leave him. Let me put some money in your bag. You don't need what I mean is if he do you bad, they on leave. It ain't where you been, girl, it's where you at, where you at. Look at that loving every day. Time I'm dancing, my money I go pay. For your love I go pay. It ain't making money days. When you go, run it back on replay. For your love I go pay. For your love I go pay.
We got some chicken.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind that it's a waste. Yeah. Trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low main is child for now. Child, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italia, child for now. Child, child. Yeah, she make it shake. Breaking that bait till the bait break. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind and it's a waste. Yeah. Trials and tribulations. Child, child. She don't want how much she took a month to make it to my lobby. It can't be prime. Return policy, she can't. Trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind and it's a waste. Yeah. Trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. She got me falling down. Child, child, child.
From your jaw, wind up your body, come me want you. Tight pussy, girl, cocky call you. Baby, this a what me want you. Wind up your tight pussy, pan a cocky ya. Long till you bend like banana. Wind up your tight pussy, pan a cocky ya. Long till you bend like banana. And when you turn back with your girl, sit down on it. Let me pitch it in a every song corner. Wind up your tight pussy, pan a cocky ya. Long till you bend like banana. Your body put me up, it and cold it. Come in and make us look about it. Why not your body with your teeth? Depending on the room, but not ask for it. Like you said, give me and give your girl, sit down on it. Up in the bench and make me start it. But if it is a land, me I go park it. Me put a carnation in the market. Wind up your tight pussy on a cocky ya. Long till you bend like banana. Wind up your tight pussy on a cocky ya. Long till you bend like banana. And then you done back with your girl, sit down on it. Let me pitch it in a every song corner. Wind up your tight pussy on a cocky ya. Long till you bend like banana. Balance, go on your two blind, go right and go hands. Missionary woman that a nuisance. To the man want, cause your body no done out. You no run it through queens and do the natural dance. Full of substance, you full of substance. I do me think out when me do me love songs. So me no stay far, me can't keep me distance. Me have to tell you say for instance. Wind up your tight pussy on a cocky ya. Long till you bend like banana. Wind up your tight pussy on a cocky ya. Long till you bend like banana. And then you turn back with your girl, sit down on it. Let me pitch it in a every song corner. Wind up your tight pussy on a cocky ya. Give long till you bend like banana.
Call you my girl.
Spend a lifetime with me. You want it on my life sense speed. You want it on my life sense speed. Oh, said that in a 9 months. Wind up your tight pussy on a cocky ya. Long till you bend like banana. And then you turn back with your girl, sit down on it. Let me put it in a every song. Tight pussy on a cocky ya. Long till you bend like banana. Wind up your body, come me want you. Tight pussy, girl, cocky call you. Baby, this a what me want you. Wind up your tight pussy on a cocky ya. Long till you bend like banana. Long till you bend like banana.
For sure.
That's why we don't like green eggs and ham.
You're not the ham.
No, she's not the ham.
Not the ham.
It's okay, guys. It's okay.
That's what I'm talking about. What y'all do tonight?
We celebrated engagement.
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
What's up?
Yes, our best friends got engaged tonight.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Really?
He popped the question. She said yes. We're all like,
Good vibe.
wow, you said yes? And then we
ever gonna be
started.
on break?
Yeah.
Please do. He said, you said yes.
My dad actually called me when.
Yeah, we taking a picture.
All right, there we go. It was nice
There
to
we
meet
go.
you
Now
guys.
it's official.
All right.
It's official.
I must use that for now.
All right, we're gonna get Taco Bell. Hey,
Yeah.
peace and love.
It was
baby.
nice.
Peace and love.
Have a good one. Be safe. I don't know.
Y'all done with this.
Every time we link up, it's only us that we're thinking, where do we get that? Is it wrong? Is it right? You know that I'm missing you, but I be getting mixed signals while you scroll down. Don't stop this green light. Now you got any special when you know I can't have it. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want it aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over.
I'll try dirt. Excuse me. Y'all like my shoes? Hold on, let me show y'all my shoes right quick. Y'all like my shoes? They so cute.
Mine way smaller than y'all. This mine. Fuck, I got the junior doing mine.
They look like them, but they both.
KK, I mean Kiki's the biggest. I said KK.
One boy came and he told me I had some peanut butter on it. I was like, in 7th grade. I'm like, peanut butter? Yeah, that's how we be doing jail. I'm like, what the fuck? It is dry. But it's good. Or maybe the alcohol is good. They made my mouth dry. Maybe just take it off. I just fucked y'all up. That donut that you're doing out there, not $50.
All that sugar. It ain't nothing in these donuts but sugar, y'all.
What's that? Your sugar too? It was good. It was good.
Y'all, look at this.
That's what I said, they left the alcohol soaking up the... And I don't drink milk. But that donut's good, I ain't gonna lie. Could you make us some coffee before you leave out?
Tomorrow, yeah.
You don't wake up at 9:45.
Wait, I gotta fix my ponytail because it keep on leaning to the side. I'm so sick of this camera.
What is it? It's
just always.
Shit.
Yeah, I'm about to end this vlog because, yeah, I'm too busy.
No, it ain't so up. I'm straight.
My boo done drove. Me and Patrice over there throwing up because I got a weak stomach. Patrice throwing up first. That's why I be. Let me tell him to get in this camera too, babe. Make sure the car off.
The car been off, girl.
Oh, but let me tell.
You got your charger, Patrice?
Yeah. I don't know if I got my phone or not. I won't lie to y'all.
No. Where your car, Patrice? Lock the door.
Right here.
I drove the whole way here.
Oh, I got
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get our food and stuff.
Yep, I'm finna get in the car. I was up and I ain't throw up. I only.
Y'all right. I love my boo. I had to drag her home.
Today is, let me do my intro. Let me redo this and do my intro. But what's my intro? I haven't done it in a while. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kiara, but if you are not, welcome back. It is currently Tuesday, March 31st, and it's 7:08. I am currently taking my hair down because I have a hair appointment tomorrow at 1. I'm a little nervous because, yeah, I'm getting something I already had before. It's just going to be in a different style. So that's the only part I'm nervous about because I don't know how the style going to look. My head a little big, so yeah. But I just wanted to pick up the camera so I can give y'all a little rundown of everything. It is almost April. Tonight at 12. Tonight at 12 a.m. it will be the next day, but technically, y'all know. But at 12, it will be officially April 1st. We don't do that April Fool's shit stuff. So, yeah. But it will be April 1st, and I've been picking up the camera here and there up in March, which is this month, but I haven't really posted a vlog. I needed a little step back, but I've been having the time of my life. So I'm gonna insert some clips of my March in this video. But if you haven't saw the last video, pause this video and go watch the next one. We'll wait. Now that y'all back, yeah. So, oh, y'all see my nose ring getting in. I was washing my face, and yeah, I don't know what happened. I was just moving too fast, I guess. I don't know, but I'll stop and get one somehow. But yeah, so if it's some clips that I don't have up in the last vlog, I would definitely put them in this vlog. But this is a new month, new spirits, new hopes, new dreams, new everything. Positive energy all around. I have so much planned that I'm not ready to share yet, but I will eventually tell all of y'all the plans, how everything's been going, the process, all of that. But just give me a second. Also, on the 4th, I will be taking me, my dog, and my boo. We're going to take pictures on the 4th, which is Saturday, and then that Sunday it will be Easter. Y'all see what we did there. That's my only off day. Y'all know I work a 9 to 5, so yeah. Oh my god, I feel like I haven't picked up the camera in a very long time, but I just haven't really been like, what's the word I'm looking for? Because I don't want to say present. I always be present in any video or content I make. Oh, on another note, I will be officially dropping more videos on TikTok. I don't know why, but I just want to do it because I feel like in order for me to get seen on a platform that I'm really engaging in, I have to be more, in the words of my boo, not scary. Even though I only did it once. So y'all know on TikTok, oh, I'm just rambling at the mouth, but I'm just saying. But y'all know on TikTok, they be like, just a small YouTuber, and they're about to be dropping their YouTube video, like they names or they, just like pictures and stuff in the comments. So I did that one time, and somebody replied to my comment, and they basically like a hold on, let me think of the word. What's the word? What is it? It's sub for sub. Yeah, so it was basically like a sub for sub, and I think I like that. Like, but I don't know, cause I ain't sub nobody. But I don't know. But I am getting out my comfort zone a little bit. Let me see what's new, what's next. Like, I don't know. But I'm about to stop this vlog here. Well, probably stop it as I'm taking down my hair and when I wash it, because I gotta be up at 11 a.m. to make sure I got everything, make sure I look cute, make sure I just gotta make sure everything. So yeah, I will see y'all when my hair is fully washed and taken down. And no, I don't have no bald spots. So I just got done washing, take it down and washing my hair. But right now I'm texting my hairstylist. I'm about to send her a picture of how I want my hair. I actually have to find it first. I'm about to show y'all too. Wait, hold on. I don't know if that's a really good clear picture. I think that's perfect. That's a perfect picture. But I'm about to my camera look like it's finna die, but I hope it's not. Another thing is I'm about to y'all don't mind my mouth, I gotta show y'all what I just ate, but I'm about to blow dry my hair and then get in the shower and call it a night, or get in the shower then blow dry my hair. I don't know, I'm just go get in the shower and call it a night. But before I do, yeah, me and my boo got this off TikTok shop. Highly recommend go get this off TikTok shop. Then you want to get y'all any kind of pickles, but we get these, okay? Or we get like the pickles in the pack, same thing, deal, it don't matter. So good. I'm thinking about going to the nail shop and getting my nails done and getting the Poochie's little color set, but then again I'm like, should I just do it all white? I haven't really been getting my nails done like that, cause I don't know, but I haven't really been wearing press-on nails like this whole entire month. Once I took off my nails, I took a break from doing, I really took a break from doing a lot of stuff this month. Well, yeah, this month. So I might pick up some bad habits, go to the nail shop, get my nails done, but I might just do it one last time. So I don't know, I'm really indecisive right now, but I am getting my hair done tomorrow, so I'm waiting for my stylist to text me back and tell me what's the price and whatever else she might need me to bring. And then I think I'm all set after that. I think I'm all set after that. Y'all, me and my boo went to go, where we go? We went somewhere. I wrote on the back of it, but super cute. Yeah. No, 11:30. I'm gonna do 11:30. Can y'all see? Can y'all see my screen? 11:30 a.m. But yeah, so I'm about to close this, not close it out, but I'm about to tell y'all good night. So I'll see y'all tomorrow, early in the a.m. Early. Come back here at 11:30. Hey y'all, so I'm in the car with my uncle and he about to take me to go get my hair done. Although I said I was getting my hair done that following Wednesday, it's Friday. Let me tell y'all, hold on. It's Friday, April 3rd. I didn't get my hair done, as y'all can clearly see, but I am getting it and it's Friday. So that's what, how many days later? A day or two later. Actually, when was April 1st? Yeah, April 1st is Wednesday. I was supposed to get my hair done, and today is Friday, April 3rd. So, yeah. But I'm finna go now. I'm trying this new hairstylist. Hopefully, I'm praying to God I like my hair. My appointment is at 8:50 p.m. and it is 7:54 right now, but I'm just go right now because I don't need no, like, you know, I don't need to be trying to figure out how I'm finna get there, how many, I don't know. And then Ubers be taking forever. We ain't doing that. But I'm waiting on that. And then, yeah, I had got my hair from Lock. Shout out to my sister. Because she went all the way downtown to pick up my hair. All the way downtown to pick up my hair. I can't wait to do my little niece bun tomorrow. Got her a little sauce. She should have got 2. But I'm doing Brooklyn a bun for Easter Sunday. Y'all, here go my uncle. Hold on. He finna be like, what the hell is that? Put me in that camera. Where the money at? Wanna say hey to my YouTube?
Ooh. Where my nephews here? Hell no. Fuck. Shit.
I need some, I need a battery. I need a, no, he, hold on, I'm talking to my YouTube. Hey, y'all, I'm at my hair appointment. Hold on, I'm gonna put it on speaker. Talk, nigga.
Yo, free me, man. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all like and comment, all that. Gonna be out soon. Oh no.
Anywho, I'm gonna see y'all when I get in the chair. But I made it to my hair appointment, thank you. And I did my nails, but the paint coming off because I'll be at work. Oh, it's raining again. Yeah, so I just got my hair done. I like my hair, but I think I want a different style now. Hold on. Just got home. Just got out the shower. I don't know why, but I'm about to call it a night. It's like 1 something in the morning. And yeah, we might do what we said we was gonna do, but then again, we might not. We might just, I don't know, but I ain't gonna, yeah. Right, that's right, boo?
That's right, boo.
Period. Now tell me that you love me.
I love you.
Good morning. What time? I'm up on it. So I'll tell y'all the time. Hold on. Girl, I can't find my phone. But good morning. It's, babe, what time is it?
Huh?
What time is it?
10:19. Hey, shit. Which one of these can I use to dry my hair?
Get the white one. You're welcome. Leave my child alone. Oh, I forgot I had this camera in my hand, but I'm about to do her hair, and then we are about to head to go take pictures at 1:15. Hopefully I don't take all day.
You told me I'll come at 3:30.
Huh?
You told me
Who?
a man I think the power out.
Today at 3?
3:33, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Woo. Yes, yesterday was a shit show. And then today, better vibes, better attitude, better everything. Yeah. So, but right now I'm about to do her hair. I'm picking out the hair products and stuff I need. So let me show y'all that. I'm going to fuck you up. You throw another rubber band at me. Hold on. So, I got both of these. If y'all do dreads, I recommend the black one. This one smell amazing though. Let me see how much I got of this. Barely. That smell good too. What the fuck? I'm gonna use both of these. And they cheap. But the only thing I don't have is my clip. Where's my clip? Rubber bands. Yeah, all my clips at the bottom of this bag. That's crazy, right? When I say literally, not in nothing, just at the bottom of the bag. Crazy. I'm finna go mess with her. I'm finna go mess with her because she messed with me. But y'all like my hair? At first I was kind of skeptical, but then I'm like, oh, hold on, this eat down, y'all. And I do like it, and she snapped. Like, this shit is not going nowhere. Wig off TikTok shop. It smells so good on this.
I'm doing a good job.
Yes, you are.
Are you sure?
Yes, you are.
I got some soap on my eyes.
You okay?
Yeah.
Look how curly your hair is. This is so cute. Hey, y'all. I know this vlog probably been over everywhere too, but today, I don't know what today is. I don't got my phone to even check and see what today. Actually, I think it's April 11th. Today is April 11th, and we are about to go try the new Applebee's food. I'm gonna show y'all my fit, but I'm just dressed in something casual. I got a long sleeve. Got this off Shein. This cardigan, I got this from my little brother though. But yeah. And then I got on my my black purse. And then, yep, I did my eyebrows, eyelashes already. I'm going to do my lips. And then, yeah. Oh my God, did I show y'all my pictures? So cute. But yeah, I ain't even really been picking up my camera. But let me just do this lip combo right quick. Actually, I'm gonna just put y'all up here with me so y'all can see how I do my eyebrows when they is not cut, not done, not none of that. Why my camera look like that? But yeah, and y'all probably like, girl, did you just have your hair done? Look, a time was had ahead of time. Shit. Dang, I don't know if I vlogged my Easter either, but it was pretty cool. I didn't do too much for Easter. So let me know in the comments how y'all Easter was. But mine was fine. Mine was okay. I did eat some food for sure. But I didn't get no pot roast. So mine, if you watching this, it's going to be me and you. Because I ain't getting no pot roast. And I love me some pot roast. Yeah. Go in with this Stay Glossy that I got from... Where did I get this from? I got this from 5 and Below. You just want to put in the center. Y'all know I use like 2 different pinks. Like a pale pink and a bright pink. But I'm only using this one for right now. That's how you do it. And that's how you do that. I don't know if y'all can really tell, but let's head out. So we had
You ain't been seeing people?
No, what is that? What's this?
I got pricked in her face.
Okay.
That's what you're talking about.
Oh no, this thing. Oh well, that is what you just pointed to.
I told you that steak though, yeah. Quesadilla burger, baby.
Let me see.
I can see it.
I'm all in your camera and not mad.
Instead of
that hamburger.
That's the quesadilla.
I think it's gonna be good, but I was talking about that. All this with no bacon, and probably no cheese, and the jalapenos.
That chicken parmesan fettuccine is good too, though.
Look at this, y'all.
They got a honey glazed chicken and bacon steak. Lemon chicken parmesan.
What I get? Mango iced tea. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. What you get, babe?
I got strawberry lemonade. What you get mine? I think this is a 10. It's a good strawberry lemonade.
No, I did. No, I did say something about mine. Hers was a 10 out of 10 as well.
Well, maybe like a 9, 8.
It's a good mixture. Let me see.
Yours definitely better. I think it's okay quality.
I know that's still a 10. It's better than any other ones you get, except from
Chili.
Chili.
Got the best strawberry lemonade. Chili's do, but Buffalo Wild Wings.
We went to.
We didn't go there together.
Yeah.
What we need for these mozzarella sticks.
Oh no, I heard they got some new flavors and stuff.
My favorite is that hot bar.
It's so many drinks, y'all. These drinks.
I have a mocktail, y'all. This is a mocktail, no liquor.
Okay.
A mocktail, no liquor. It's a pink lemonade, icy liquor.
She
free
lying.
drink.
You got it. Sorry. Yes, guys, and it's just a drink. I don't know. I'm scared. You don't like it? You don't like it? You drink it first. You don't like it? You drink it next. You don't like it? Just drink it.
No. Drink mine. Tell me what you think.
Okay, you got to drink mine and I'm drink yours at the same time.
Tell me what you think, though. It's nasty.
No,
it stinks.
it's not. It will. It stinks. That's good. It's sweet. This is actually good. This is more sour. It's not sweet. Sour, not sweet.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Thank you for the correction, babe.
But mine tastes like, that's why it's so nasty. Oh, my nipples
I made one. I wanna you do it and I record it. Just put a little bit more in now. Ooh, so good. This is so good.
I was supposed to get that. I'll let you trick me out my spot. I had my man made up at home. Like,
Hey, I'm about to make some oops, she got out. I'm about to make some. It's Tuesday, March 21st, and I'm about to make a fruit salad first, and then I'm about to make some tacos. So yeah, let's make the fruit salad first. So I got some. So I got some blueberries, blackberries.
They just watch the whole too long. What is our
2 packs of taco meat, and some lettuce, and some cheese.
Ain't nobody taking shit out. Yeah. They nasty stuff.
Turns out I had you turned out. What's my mood? Try me, come find out. One more time. Stop trying to read my mind. I'm not her and she's not me, and you're not mine. Get so deep. Now yeah, with me. Baby, I'm a D&D. Please don't bother me. Hate that movie. Slow is time and peace. You gotta make me free. Reasons that you got. We say love me and put me Chanel. We say love me and put me Chanel.